Welcome back to another episode of Outdoor Chef Life. I'm Taku. Got Jocelyn here as well. I don't think you can see. It's already nighttime. I'm making some dinner right now. I'm gonna make some carbonara for dinner. And tomorrow morning, we're gonna do a little fishing. Hopefully catch some fish and we'll cook it up, you know, as usual. Enjoy. We'll get a little color on the pancetta, finish off the pasta, throw the pasta in with the pancetta. Jocelyn is grating some Parmigiano right now.
My hands are beginning to cramp.
My spaghetti is done. Just gonna chopstick it all over here. A little bit of water. A good amount of black pepper. A little bit of chili flakes as well. And we got some nice farmer's market eggs. And we'll just crack 2 of these in there. And just mix. And that right there is our carbonara sauce. And I turned the heat off on the pasta already. I like to cool it down a little bit first, otherwise it kind of ends up cooking the egg and you end up getting like scrambled eggs. Now to this, ready to add just gonna toss it in here, get all that sauce. It's nice and creamy. There you go, check that out, nice and creamy sauce. Perfect, there we go. Where's my sake?
I mean, it's not really meant to be paired with this, but...
It's okay. We're drinking some sake tonight from True Sake. Jocelyn's been into this sparkling sake, and it's pretty good. I'm just gonna use my chopsticks. So they're already dirty anyways. I'm not gonna make extra dishes. Oh yeah. Perfect al dente pasta, creamy cheese, get a little spice, peppery, delicious. Well, that was delicious, and we'll see you in the morning. There we go. And good morning, guys. We sleep really well in the van. It's really comfy. Anyways, we better get to it. Well, what a beautiful view to wake up to. Missed that. Missed that about the van. Anyways, I got this brand new reel, the Okuma Samar HD. It's a good looking reel, and it feels good too. So I can't wait to put this to use. Just gonna rig up, and we'll head out there. So what do you want to use? You want to try a swim bait or you want to try herring?
Maybe herring.
You want herring? Alright. Then I'll put some hooks on here. First we gotta find a spot to fish. We could try over there. It's a bit kelpy, but could be a lot of fish. What do you think? Over there? Because I think we could go down that. Or should we keep looking to the right?
It's a bit rough.
Alright, I think we're gonna try this spot here. Whew, gotta be careful. Just crumbly. 2 hands, both hands full. There we go. There we go. I'm good. Look at this.
You won't get stuck?
Yeah, that looks good.
It's been a while since we've done this fishing on the rocks.
Yes, it has. I missed it. You have the weight that I gave you?
Safe.
Okay, this is your weight. Okay, here, hold your rod.
I see a rock, I'm gonna throw mine out.
Okay, you're ready.
Do I let it drop? I forgot.
Yeah, you let it drop. It might, but you just want to leave it there, that one. Yeah, and hope it doesn't get stuck. getting stuck is definitely possible. But you see that big rock there?
Yeah.
So don't cast over that. You can cast before it,
Yeah.
in between, or right to the left of it.
I think I'm in front of it.
Yeah,
Am I
that's
on it?
I don't know. I didn't see where you cast.
I cast over, but I reeled it in.
Okay, that's fine. Or there's a couple rocks right here too, I think. So you can cast right in between, or you can cast close. Should be good. Okay, and I am starting off with this little baby swim bait from the fish lab. See what this can do. It's a little light, so we'll see if we can get it down. Make sure my drag is set. Listen to that drag. Sounds good. Oh. Sit a little bit tighter. That should be good. Ooh. That felt like a hit. Small bite, maybe. Oh. No, maybe that was a rock. Nothing. My heart is actually pounding right now. It's funny how it doesn't matter how many times I've caught fish, it's still exciting every single time. And it's pounding because I have a feeling I'm gonna get one right here. Come on. Oh, I don't know. That felt like a fish. Let's try that. Let's see. Come on. Come on. Yeah. Not feeling this one. What should I do? Should I go for the big one? This is what I got the lingcod in Alaska on. This guy right here. Could do that. I have a little tiny jig that I thought I might want to try. Could try the tiny jig. That might be fun. All right, let's give this a shot. Ooh. What was that? What was that? This is such a sick spot. Look at my shadow. Hello. Let's catch a fish. I just switched over to Jocelyn's bait. She went to the van real quick. Let's see if I can get a fish to hit. Come on. Haven't really had anything commit to it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, it's sand. There we go. Uh-oh, bait's gone. Let's try this one. The big hammer, something a little bigger. As beautiful as this spot is, I think we're gonna have to move. Just haven't had any bites. Okay, this is just adjacent to where we just were, so we're just gonna try here for 15 minutes and we'll move on if nothing. This spot's got to have a cabezon. Come on. Here we go. Fish on. Some small. I think it's a little rockfish. I think it's a black rockfish or blue. It's a blue rockfish. Little guy. Okay, there's a school of blues over there. Cooked pretty well. I think we can do better than that. I think I'm gonna put this guy back a little small. What?
I got hit.
Oh, you got hit too? See you later, buddy. Good dive, good dive. That was on the, I swapped it to the trusty Kitech. This is the go-to right here. Oh. Jocelyn got,
Babies down there.
there's a bunch of babies down there, huh? I'm gonna go down there. Yeah, let's set him free. Hold on, let me reel this in. Jocelyn got a baby fish. A baby fish.
No skunk for me.
No skunk. There's a fish. That's some small. There we go. Alright, maybe not too bad. Let's see. Maybe my cabazon. There's the oh no, stuck. Oh yes, cabazon. A little small. There's a tide pool down there, so I'm gonna just. There's my little cabazon right there. I always catch a cabazon here. But this one's too small. These have to be 15 inches. We'll give them a release. There we go. All right, we're gonna redo that cast, and hopefully we'll get a bigger one on the next one. Let's try it again. Snag. Well, okay guys, so we tried those new spots for a couple hours, hour and a half, and got those little rockfish, and I went to a usual spot that I go to and then got the cabazon, but no keeper. Now we're at another new spot. It's definitely making me work for it today. Let's hope this spot produces a keeper. There we go, there's a fish. Oh, it came off. Just pressing the GoPro button and fish came off. Small anyways. Oh my gosh. Let me cast one with the swim bait here. All right, we really need a fish for lunch. We don't have lunch otherwise. Got a fish on. I think it's a small rockfish. Let's see, bring him up. Yeah, it's a blue. Another blue. This guy's still pretty tiny. Still tiny. Too small, huh? Smaller than the other one. Alright, guy. Nice dive. Yeah, let's hope there's a bigger one there. Seems to be maybe a school. Let's see. See if we can get another one. Been getting splashed by these big ass waves. I think this one's coming for me too. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Get back, get back, get back. Oh. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. Small fish, I think. There we go. There's a fish. A little better. Yeah, a little better. Could be a keeper. Oh yeah, that's good. Yeah, I think this is a good one. Better one. I think another blue. I'm just gonna braid fish probably. Let's see. Fishing off a cliff. Yeah, it's a good one. This is a keep. This is a keep. Oh, come on. I just got to bring him up. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. That's a keep, baby. That's a keep. That's a better blue rockfish. There we go. Now that's lunch, baby. That's a better one. Heck yeah. Alright, I'm gonna take him out of his misery. We'll bleed him out. There he goes. And he's done. He is put out of his misery. Thank you. Thank you. I was on the little jig from the fish lab. Whew. Made me work for it. Fish on. I think it's probably just another blue rockfish. Not bad though. Not too bad. Let's see. Oh, I see him.
Bigger?
Yeah, a little bit bigger. Nice. We'll keep this one too. Now we got two. Yes. They're about the same size. Yeah. Alright, and I was just saying to Jocelyn that this is going to be our last cast. So, that's it. We're going to take these fish and go make some food. I haven't even said what I'm going to make yet. So, today, I'm going to take my karage recipe. That's a Japanese style fried chicken. And we're going to use that for the fish and have little karage rockfish. I think it's going to be really tasty. So, let's get that going. Okay. Let's cook. We got our two rockfish here. Got my knife bag available on outdoorcheflife.com, and as well as my aprons. Both handmade. Alright, let's do this. Take my knife. I think that's all I need. Oh, I'll take this actually. Moribashi. These are metal chopsticks. They're actually tweezers. So they're called moribashi. Look at them. Let's fillet this little guy. I'll just take the head off first. And as long as I'm not being lazy, I always scale them. That makes the filleting easier, and it just keeps this work area clean. One slice on the back. Find the knife parallel with the board, going all the way to the spine. Lift up the meat. Scrape up on the spine. Now there's a hole there. Put it right through. Hold the tail down and keep that knife flat. Just like that. And slice it off. The fillet. Easy. Don't do the same thing on this side. Can't stress this enough. A sharp knife makes the biggest difference. If you want to do a good job fillet, get a sharp knife. And I like using my chef knife for filleting. That's just because that's what I did my whole time at work as a sushi chef. I always use my chef knife to fillet. That's what I'm comfortable with. If you want to use a fillet knife, go use a fillet knife. No big deal. Just make sure it's sharp. Sharp, sharp, sharp. Look how fresh it is. It's still twitching. Still twitching. Oh God, it's twitching like crazy. Alright, we'll remove the rib cage. Under the rib cage first, disconnect. Hear that? And get under the rib cage now. And scoop, in a scooping motion, whoosh, just like that. Boom. Okay, I need boneless fillets for this, so I'm going to take the skin off, and we'll take the pin bones off too. Boom. Skin's off. Okay, now that we have a skinless fillet, now we need it boneless. Boneless and skinless. So all I'm going to do is just cut the bones out. You could use tweezers and pluck them out, but when they're fresh like this, it's really much more difficult to take off, just because the meat is just holding on to those bones really tightly. And they only go a little past midway. Make sure there's no bones on there. We got a couple pieces. Boom, boneless and skinless. That was Jocelyn that time. She's having a conversation. Go do it, do it. Go ahead.
He's doing that. He's gonna do the shoulder shrugs back.
Now I'm gonna cut these fillets into little chunks. Just about an inch, quarter-inch size. Alright, we're just gonna salt this and let it sit for about 15 minutes. So for the batter, I'm gonna do a cornstarch and flour mix, and we're gonna add these ingredients as well. A little hondashi, mirin, soy sauce, hot sauce. I have a Barnacle Bullwhip hot sauce. That's really good. And some sesame seeds, but I have this one right here. This is like a furikake, but a little seaweed and sesame seed mixture. So I'm gonna add that in there as well. So here I'm gonna be using more flour than cornstarch. Cornstarch just gives it a little bit extra crisp, but the flour you need to hold everything together. And I'm gonna also add some water as well. We'll add the dry ingredients first. Just a sprinkle of hondashi, that's just MSG. And we got the sesame seed, nori mix. Add a dash of water. Right now it's a little doughy, so we'll add a little more water, but before we do that, we'll add the liquids. A little mirin, that'll give it sweetness. Soy sauce, that's just more extra flavor. And obviously the hot sauce gives it some heat, and it'll give it some nice color too. I like to add a lot. And mix that in. A little more water. Alright, might do a little bit more hot sauce. Alright, now I'm heating up my oil. My fish is ready. Just gotta pat dry all the moisture off of here. And you can kind of rub the salt off at the same time if there's Still some left. I'm gonna throw the fish in my batter. And let's make sure that it kind of coats it. It's thick enough to coat the fish. Yeah, that looks pretty good. That's the kind of consistency you want. Make sure it's nice and coated. I think we'll throw the shishitos in.
It almost like it's ramen.
Oh, no. Alright, let's check the oil. Yeah, that looks pretty good, nice and hot. We're going to do an initial fry, and then we're going to do a second fry as well. And I'm dropping them in slowly, so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Gotta get a little initial fry, and then let it go. And don't drop too many in at once, because this is going to drop the temperature of the oil. Initially, I put them in for about 1.5 minutes, pull them off for a couple minutes, put them back in for another minute. So I'm going to put the first ones that we took out, put those back in here. It makes it extra crispy. Make sure it's nice and crispy. And that's how usually karage is made, with double or even thrice fried. Let's try this shishito pepper. It's good. Let's check, make sure they're fully cooked through. Yeah, they look nice. Oh yeah. That's perfect, so flaky. I'm just gonna finish it off with a little more furikake. It is rockfish karage. And we have a bowl of shishito peppers topped with katsuobushi. This is bonito flakes. Alright, it's time to eat. Ooh, rockfish karage. Smells really good. And it looks like, oh, we got a little hen house IPA. Yeah, just a little bit. Okay. Yeah. Cheers. Ooh. いただきます。じゃあ白。Nice and
More hot sauce.
more hot sauce. I think that's gonna do it for this one, guys. This is really good. If you like the video, make sure to hit that thumbs up, subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Peace. Really flaky. Nice and juicy on the inside. It's really flaky and crispy. The batter is incredibly flavorful. It's like a bowl of ramen coated the outside of the fish.
This was a good bar food.
Good bar food, huh? It's true.
You like what?
I like it very much. Tasty. All right, this is a good one to try.